Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to change the laptop lid open activation on your Windows computer. So if you automatically turn on your computer by opening up your lid and perhaps you don't need to press the power button, you want to turn that either on or off. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to do that. So pretty straightforward process here, and we're going to start by opening up the start menu. And you want to type in CMD. Best match to come back with CMD or command prompt. You want to right click on that and then select run as administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, select yes. Now I'm going to have a command in the description of the video. I want you guys to copy it and then go up to the top bar of the command prompt window here, right click on it, left click on edit and left click on paste to paste it in. Hit enter on your keyboard. Once you've done that, you want to close out of here and now open up the start menu. Type in control panel, go ahead and open that up. Set your view by to large icons and then select the power options from this list. Across from whatever plan is selected, you want to select the change plan settings link and then select change advanced power settings. You want to locate the power buttons and lid selection here and select the little plus sign next to that. And now should be something that says lid open action. Go ahead and select the little plus sign after that. It should be a setting list under here, so if you want to turn on or off the display, you can just go ahead and just make that change by selecting this little drop down here and selecting do nothing or select turn on the display. So pretty straightforward process there, guys. And once you're done with that, close it here and that should be about it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.